Pluckers, I've a sore fingers here with something off the wall for you. Nessun Dorma by Pavarotti, of course, on acoustic guitar. Please excuse the singing, it is purely for reference, okay? So for all you budding Pavarotti fans and singers, okay, standard tuning and no capos. Doing it in the same key that Pavarotti sings this song in, okay, originally, okay. So let's get to it. So I like to think outside the box a little bit, yeah. So we're starting off with this little run, which is obviously normally played on big string orchestra sort of thing. Okay, so we're starting with that. So on 3rd fret at the bottom E string, open 2nd, open 5th, so 3rd on the 6th, open 5th, 2nd on the 5th, open 4th, open 3rd. So, okay. Then we're playing this chord. It's a partial D augmented. Very quite simple shape. It's like a mini A minor sort of shape. I'm playing the 2nd fret of the top E string with my 1st finger. The 2nd finger is playing the 3rd fret of the 3rd string, and 3rd finger is playing the 3rd fret of the 2nd. Open 4th. And I'm just going 4 down to 1. And this is the bit where it comes in with okay, and that's a D augmented to G. Okay, so it's Nessun Dorma. And then it does the same thing but an octave down. Nessun Dorma. So it's the same 2 chords. So it's Nessun Dorma, Nessun Dorma. Okay, got the idea? So that's the intro. Okay, so 3rd on the 6th, open 5th, 2nd on the 5th, open 4th, open 3rd, D augmented, Nessun G, D augmented, Nessun Dorma. Okay? Then it goes back to the D augmented. That's again D augmented to G, and it does this D augmented to G several times now. Okay. Okay, up to that point. It's all D augmented to G all the way through. So up to that point, let's go from the very beginning. Nessun Dorma, Nessun Dorma, da 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 da. And as soon as you hit that last one, you hit the G chord just the once, and then play that riff again that we've started the song off with. So the G chord, then open A, 2nd on the 5th, open 4th, open 3rd, and we're into the chorus. Okay, so it's that last one goes da 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 da. Okay, with a pause, and then we hit a D chord. Da 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 da, A, da da, G, da. And then there's a little rundown. Bottom E string on the G, there's on the 3rd fret, 2nd fret bottom E string, and then that bottom E string open with the E minor. So it's D, da 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 da, A, da da, G, run down, E minor, da 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 da. That's a G major 7. 1st finger, 2nd fret, top E string. 2nd finger's 3rd fret, 2nd string. 3rd finger's playing the 4th fret on the 3rd string. Pinky is playing the 5th fret on the 4th string, diagonal chord there. 4 down to 1, G major 7. So far we've got coming out of that end of the verse, we do the little G, pause, D chord, da 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 da, A, da da, G run down, da 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 da, G major 7th, da da. Now we've got an A run up, da 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 da, and that's a lazy A, da, or an A. You can play an A chord if you want like that, or a lazy A. That's barring the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings, 2nd fret, 1st finger, with the open A string, 5 down to 2, or you can play a straightforward A chord, it's up to you. So a single strum, B minor 7, that's a B minor bar chord but with the pinky off, 5 down to, I'm playing the 5th string downwards, so it's A, and then another A chord with C sharp in the bass, another lazy A shape, 5th string is now played on the 4th fret, 5th string 4th fret with the 3rd finger, 5 down to 2, so you've got A, B minor 7th, A with C sharp in the bass, and then an A7. It's an A chord with an open 3rd string. 2nd on the 4th, 2nd on the 2nd, open 3rd. Okay, so from the beginning of the, coming out of the verse where you go, pause, chord D, da 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 da, A to G, run down to E minor, da 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 da, G major 7, da da, run up on the A, da 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 da, D, da 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 da, G major 7th again, da 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 da, A 7th, da da da, G, and then that run up again. Pause, and then we start the 2nd verse, which is shorter than the 1st verse. Okay, so shall we go the whole thing up to that point? Okay, from the very beginning. Okay. Nessun Dorma, Nessun Dorma, da 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 da. Da 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 Then we go into the 2nd verse, which is a shorter version than the 1st verse. Same chords, D augmented and G. Da, 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 so it's a very shortened version. Okay, so coming out of the, after the 1st verse and chorus finishes, we end up that run down. Da 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 da. Pause and back to the chorus again. This is where the choir comes in. Da 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 da. Pavarotti comes back in. G, stay on G. D, and then that choir comes in again. Da 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 da. slow down. Have fun with that, boys and girls. Okay. Enjoy. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.